Assalamu alaikum my dear students. I hope you all are fine at home. This is your English class and I am your teacher Miss Mehreen Yasir. Dear students, please take out your school workbook and Broadway course book. Today we will do the page number 37 of school workbook and page number 102 of Broadway course book. We will learn new concept, the use of is and are. आज हम सीखेंगे कि हम is और are को कहाँ कहाँ यूज़ करते हैं. Use of is. When we talk of one person or thing, we use is. जब भी हम बात करते हैं किसी one person की या फिर किसी one thing की तो हम वहाँ क्या यूज़ करते हैं? We use is. For example, Ali is playing. Look at the picture. We talk here about one boy. So, we use is. Ali is playing. Use of are. When we talk of more than one person or more than one thing, we use are. जब भी हम बात कर रहे होते हैं one person से ज़्यादा की या one thing से ज़्यादा चीज़ों की तो हम वहाँ क्या यूज़ करते हैं? हम वहाँ are को यूज़ करते हैं. For example, children are playing. Now look at here. We talk here about singular. So here comes is. Mary is excited about her first day of school. And when we talk about plural, we use are. The dogs are playing in the backyard. Now look at here. When we have he in the sentence, we use is. He is a student. And when we have she in a sentence, we use is. She is a teacher. When we have it in a sentence, we use is. It is a book. When we have they in a sentence, we use are. They are students. When we have we in a sentence, we use are. We are children. When we have you in a sentence, we use are. You are policeman. Now look at here. When we talk about one apple, we say this is an apple. And when we have talk about more than one apples, then we say these are apples. Now look at here, dear students. This is the workbook, page number 37. This is your homework. Complete this page. Now come here. This is the Broadway course book, page number 102. Complete the sentences using is or are. Number 1 sentence. These dash big trees. These के साथ हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? हम are यूज़ करते हैं. These are big trees. Because we talk here about more than one thing. These are big trees. Now look at the number 7 sentence. This dash Kamran's aeroplane. This के साथ हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? This is Kamran's aeroplane. We talk here about only one thing. Now look at number 10 sentence. Kashif and Asma dash very happy. We talk here about more than one person. यहाँ पर हम 2 persons की बात कर रहे हैं। सो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? यहाँ पर आर आएगा। काशिफ एंड अस्मा आर वेरी हैप्पी। Okay, my dear students, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourselves.